I'm down in the cellar with my Servis M6011S. Stopped working. Normally you start it up and the pump comes on, sucks out any water that's in it. It seemed to die along the way. I don't know, it didn't really get off to a good start, so I'm going to see about clearing out this lint filter. So get something like a screwdriver or a butter knife or something. Open up the filter cover, get yourself a baking tray. Expect for a bit of water to come out. Quite a lot. The door, the little plastic door, acts as a little chute to direct the water into a tray. Now, there's a bit of stuff in there, but not much. Bit of lint that you'd expect. Some old caked soap. Little copper ring. Not much, not the worst. So, it could be the pump problem. Don't see anything else stuck in there. Line it up, put it back in. The one you can hear is the Bosch WFF 1800 rocking away. It's doing a 60-degree wash. Great machine that. So, I was doing 60-degree cottons before. That's the wash that I had to move across. Switch it on. It's already in a cycle, I guess. So normally you have to press this button to activate it. Make it a humming noise, like a motor noise, like perhaps a motor pump. I did see the washing machine drum spin around, start a cycle. So it's not the drain anyways.